Welcome to how to find digital codes on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find digital codes on Amazon. So the first step is we are going to go to our Amazon app, and as you can see here, I'm currently on my Amazon app right now, and you need to of course also log into your Amazon account, just so you know. And in here, what I'm going to do firstly is to click on my profile symbol, as you can see. So click on your profile symbol, which should be somewhere down. As you can see in the bottom left corner, there's your home symbol. Just to the right, there's my profile symbol. So click on your profile symbol, because then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now in here, we need to click where it says your order. So click on your orders in here. It should be somewhere on that page. So find your orders, because then you should be taken here. As you can see now, I haven't really made any purchases on Amazon as of right now. That is why I don't have anything in here. But you have, then you will be able to find all of them in here. But if it's still so that you don't find any like digital codes on your Amazon in here, if you keep looking and you cannot find it, well then actually sometimes Amazon do send those digital codes to your email instead. So you will, if you cannot find them in here, then you need to check your email. If it doesn't like straight away go into your email, then just wait like one day basically, and then check your email. And also this page, once again, if you can still not find it, then you need to contact the Amazon support. So basically this is exactly how to find your digital codes on Amazon. So let me know if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.